Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. My name's Tony, and man oh man do I have a good one for you tonight. We're making Kung Pao Chicken. Well, here's everything you need for your Kung Pao Chicken. Now, when we're going through the recipe, don't worry. If you don't catch something, it's all going to be in the description box below. But trust me, this is easy to make. Well, are you ready? Good. Let's start cooking. Go ahead and hit that sear sauté feature, and let's heat up the foodie. Let's go ahead and put in 1 tablespoon olive oil. Get all nice and hot. Let's go ahead and drop in 1 small shallot. We're going to cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now let's add 3 chicken breasts cut up into bite-sized pieces. Now we're going to cook this chicken until it just starts to turn white. Now we got that chicken cooking, let's get the sauce going. You're going to use a 1/2 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of Sriracha, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now let's whisk that together. And while you're watching me whisk, go ahead and hit that little red button down there in the corner and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so you know when my new videos come out. All right, the chicken's just starting to turn white. So let's go ahead and add our sauce. We're gonna add 1 cup of chicken broth. Give it a stir. Now we're going to pressure cook for 5 minutes. Don't forget to put it in seal. All right, while your Ninja Foodi's coming to pressure, go ahead and cut up 1 zucchini, cut up about a 1/2 cup of red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper, a little bit of green onion, and get you some sesame seeds. Hey, since you have a little time to kill, go ahead and go over to Facebook and check out our Facebook group, the Ninja Foodi Instapot Universe. Over there is where we share all of our ideas, our recipes, videos, all kinds of cool stuff. So come on over and check it out. Let's go ahead and do a quick release. Let's go ahead and do a quick release again. Red pins dropped. Look at that. That looks delicious. Smells delicious. I bet it's gonna taste delicious too. Well, the longer it sits, the thicker that sauce is gonna get. But I don't like it super thick. So we're gonna plate it up and eat it up. Now I've made this recipe before, and it calls for a 5-minute pressure cook after you throw the vegetables in. But I found out if you do that, it just obliterates the vegetables. You don't even see them in there anymore. So I found out that if you do it for 2 or 3 minutes, it comes out perfect. You can see the vegetables, taste the vegetables, and the color is still there. Look at that, doesn't that look good? Now, let's throw some of those bell peppers on there. Give it a little bit more color, make it kind of pop. Throw some sesame seeds on it. A little of that green onion. Look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? Check it out. All right, it was quick and easy. Now let's see how it tastes. Chicken falls right apart. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of heat. Sauce is just thick enough. Get the vegetable flavor in it. That is really good, guys. I'm telling you, you're not gonna go to Chinese takeout anymore when you can make stuff that tastes this good right at home. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Let's eat.